Have you ever stopped to wonder why we do the things we do? Why do we crave connection, fear the unknown, or strive for more than just survival? These fundamental questions delve into the very core of what it means to be us, to be human. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore human nature, that intricate tapestry of innate characteristics, behaviors, and predispositions that are believed to be common to all humanity. From our ancient evolutionary past to our complex modern minds, we'll uncover the layers that define our collective identity. Our exploration begins in the deep past, with the evolutionary roots that hardwired many of our present-day tendencies. For hundreds of thousands of years, our ancestors were hunter-gatherers, facing constant threats and relying on tight-knit groups for survival. This forged a strong drive for cooperation, tribalism, and a keen awareness of social hierarchy. Think about our innate desire to belong, to form alliances, or even our quickness to judge outsiders. These are echoes of a time when such instincts were crucial for survival and reproduction. Our brains evolved to prioritize safety, resource acquisition, and the continuation of our lineage, shaping everything from our dietary preferences to our mating strategies. This deep history explains why certain stimuli can still trigger primal responses, even in our technologically advanced world. Beyond evolution, our human nature is profoundly shaped by our biological blueprint. We're not just products of our environment. We're complex biological machines driven by genes, hormones, and a remarkably intricate brain. Neurotransmitters like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin play pivotal roles in dictating our moods, social bonding, and motivation. For instance, oxytocin, often called the love hormone, strengthens trust and attachment, explaining why physical touch and shared experiences feel so good. Our prefrontal cortex, the seat of higher-order thinking, allows for reasoning and self-control, yet it constantly battles with the more primitive, emotional limbic system. This internal tug-of-war between our rational and emotional selves is a fundamental aspect of the human condition, making us both capable of incredible altruism and regrettable impulses. A fascinating aspect of our nature lies in our cognitive biases and predictable patterns of thinking. Our brains, while powerful, are also masters of shortcuts, or heuristics, designed to make quick decisions in a complex world. This often leads to systematic errors in judgment. Consider the confirmation bias, where we seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs. Or loss aversion, where we feel the pain of a loss more intensely than the pleasure of an equivalent gain. These biases, identified by pioneers like Daniel Kahneman, aren't flaws. They are efficient mechanisms that helped our ancestors survive. However, in modern society, they can lead to polarization, irrational financial decisions, and even conflict. Understanding these ingrained biases is the first step toward mitigating their potentially negative effects. Further illustrating our nature is the undeniable truth that we are inherently social animals. Solitary existence is, for most, a form of suffering. Our brains are wired for connection, empathy, and cooperation. Studies show that social isolation can be as detrimental to health as smoking. This drive for sociality manifests in our capacity for altruism, our tendency to form complex societies, and our creation of elaborate cultures. From sharing food to collaborating on monumental projects, human progress has always been a collective endeavor. However, this social wiring also comes with a darker side: the tendency towards groupthink, xenophobia, and conflict when group identities clash. The balance between individual desires and collective harmony is a constant tension within human nature. Finally, we delve into the uniquely human drive for meaning and purpose. Unlike most other species, We aren't content with mere survival and reproduction. We ponder our existence, seek to understand the universe, create art, philosophy, and strive for self-actualization. This capacity for abstract thought, imagination, and the formation of complex ethical systems sets us apart. We have an innate curiosity, a desire to learn and innovate, and a profound need to find significance in our lives, whether through faith, creativity, or contribution to something larger than ourselves. This search for meaning is a powerful motivator, driving human innovation, spiritual quests, and our continuous push for progress and understanding. So, human nature isn't a simple, fixed concept, but a dynamic interplay of evolutionary adaptations, biological predispositions, cognitive quirks, social imperatives, and our unique quest for meaning. It's a complex tapestry of self-interest and altruism, reason and emotion, conformity and individuality. Understanding these foundational elements allows us to better comprehend ourselves, our societies, and the forces that shape our world. What do you think is the most defining characteristic of human nature? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you found this insightful. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the human experience.